Good afternoon, everybody. I hope everybody's well and okay. The weather, it's finally brightening up. It was bright this morning, and then it was windy, and then it's trying to brighten up again, as we can see. The room's brightening up, so that's really good. Now, what I wanted to talk to you about today is Budgies eating things you wouldn't expect. Now, there's some things you might, I hope you're not having your dinner or anything, put it that way. But as evidence, I've got something to show you. Right. See this window here, what we've got? Now Sammy used to go up the top there. She doesn't anymore. But right here, maybe you can see there. Yes, exactly. If you could see it, then there's parts of the wallpaper missing. And that's because Sammy was pecking the wallpaper away. Hopefully she didn't eat it. I know this is about eating things what you wouldn't think a budgie would eat. But that is an example. Budgies destroy everything. Mind you, it's whatever you have, whatever bird you have, whether it's a parrot or anything like that, they'll destroy everything. They'll destroy your units, your chairs, everything. Another thing I've noticed, now I am trying to keep on top of this, but it's actually poo. When a budgie poos, it's really, really soft. But then, oh no, my pop is gone. But then it hardens. But then it hardens and it goes all flaky and well, I'll leave it to your imagination. But that's what happens. Now, I have been watching Sammy and she's been pecking at it. Now, hopefully she doesn't eat it. Hopefully it's her way of cleaning up. I hope so anyway. I know it make... I'm sorry if you were eating anything. I do apologise. But it's not very nice. So anyway, as soon as she's done things, I clean up. So then that doesn't encourage her to, you know what. And I think that's about covers it with what my talk is about today. So what unusual things does your budgie eat, or you've caught your budgie eating? I'd be really interested to know. Okay. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. please check out all my other videos as you may enjoy them. And thank you for everybody who does subscribe to us. It does mean so much. Oh, would you like to see Sammy? Sammy's happy. She's come to say hello. She was eating her food. I'm sorry for interrupting your feed. Okay. So we shall both see you again soon. Okay.